Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with my CVS haul for this week. And the sales that are running for CVS is October the 7th through 13th. Today is the 9th, so let me tell you what I got. I did actually 3 extra buck deals. I tried to use my CRTs, overlapping on these deals, and I think I did pretty good. So let me show you what I did. The first thing that I did was the Pantene deal. The Pantene deal is spend $15 and get a $5 extra buck. So I wanted to try this product right here, these two. This is the Pantene Pro V Blends. This is the micellar conditioner. Okay, and then this one I thought was going to be very interesting because it said it's a gentle moisturizing milk. Okay, and then this one is a charcoal conditioner, and I got 2 conditioners because you guys know that I co-wash. Okay, these were 2 for $12, but I'm trying to get to the $15, so I had to get one more Pantene, and this was the Smooth and Sleek. This one was $4.79. So the 3 of those combined together was $16.79. I used one $5 off of 3 coupon, Pantene coupon that was in the October P&G. That brought it down to $11.79. Now, remember what I said, I do have a CRT that I wanted to use, but the CRT was 4 off of 18 in hair care. So I needed to do something else in order to get to that threshold of the $18 so I could use that one, that CRT, and I decided to do the Garnier. Okay, so these are buy 2 and get a $4 extra buck. Now they were priced in my store for $4.29. So the 2 of those together, and the coupons that I used for this, they're $4 for each, $4.29 for each one, and I used 2 of the $1 coupons.com coupons that was on coupons.com that brought it down to, it was $8.58 for the 2, and then $2 off made it be $6.58. So the $6.58 plus the $11.79 for the Pantene came to $18.37. I used the 4 off of 18 hair care, bringing it down to $14.37. All right. The next deal I did was the Rimmel, okay? The Rimmel I thought was a great deal because with the Rimmel, you are going to, I can't even remember just that quick. The Rimmel was spend 10 and get 4 for the Rimmel, okay? Now, the reason why I wanted to do it is because I had a CRT for cosmetics, which was a 4 off of 15 cosmetics, which is over the $10, but that's not a big deal because we got those $3 coupons.com coupons. So hopefully those are high value coupons. You guys are printing them every time you see them on coupons.com, okay? Now, I got 2 of these. This is a value pack of the mascara, so I thought surely that will be a great deal to utilize, okay? So those were both priced at $4.69 each, $4.69, $4.69, and then I decided to get the Scandalous Eyes. This is a gel eyeliner. Thought that was very interesting. $6.99. Those $3 coupons scanned perfectly, no issue. All 3 of the products together was $16.37. $9 in coupons coming off makes it be $7.37. Then the 4 off of 15 cosmetic CRT came off, bringing it down to $3.37. So for $3.37 for all 3 of the Rimmel was awesome. Besides the fact I needed to spend an additional $7.13 to reach beauty, okay? So this particular deal is going to generate me a $3 extra buck in a couple of days, which is cool, okay? Now, the $14.37 for the hair care and the $3.37 for the makeup comes to $17.74. I rolled $14 in extra bucks, so I only had to pay $3.74 out of pocket, lovely people. Let me show you the receipt, okay? I'm going to fold my stuff bag. I'm going to just fold that up, up, up. Y'all don't need to see all that. All y'all want to see is the subtotal, right? Right. Year-to-date savings, I've saved $1,100. That's crazy. That lady, the lady that rang me out tonight, she was so nice. She's new. I've never seen her at CVS before. And she was just so nice. I just love having a pleasant cashier. She wanted to make sure I had got coupons at the coupon center. She was just very helpful and very friendly. And that just makes for a pleasant shopping experience. Okay? So let's look at the receipt. Here we go. So there's all the products and the prices and everything coming off, the extra bucks coming off, and then there you see the subtotal of $3.74, which is wonderful. And then there's my $5 back for the Pantene, and then the $4 back for the Garnier, and then $4 back for the Rimmel. Okay, so that is $13 back. That's really good. I rolled 14, got back 13, and I'm ultimately going to get back 16 because I'm going to get $3 in extra bucks or beauty bucks for hitting beauty, spending 30 in the beauty. So that's great, lovely people. I hope you guys are getting great deals at CVS. Honestly, I didn't see a whole bunch of stuff that I wanted to do, but I didn't want to spend a lot out of pocket. I started to do the soft soap deal, which is 2 for $7 because I had a body wash CRT. But don't just buy stuff just because you have a CRT. Make sure that is a good deal. And you want to make sure that you're, rolling your extra bucks and getting extra bucks back for the newbies, okay? So we don't want to do anything that's just buying stuff to be buying stuff that you don't need. We're not doing none of that, okay? And I lost my darn deodorant CRT. I don't know where the heck it went. Lost it in the car, between the car and getting in the store, got in the store, didn't have it. Because I wanted to do the Lady Speed Stick. It's cheap. It's gonna be basically free if you have the deodorant CRT, okay? The Lady Speed Stick, let me find it. I don't want to tell y'all the wrong thing, okay? The Lady Speed Stick is $2.49. I had a $1 CRT, which is going to make me pay $1.49 in the store, but I'm going to turn around and get a $1.50 extra buck back. So it's free deodorant. Why wouldn't you get it? You give it to somebody. Bless somebody, okay? Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.